Hello, beautiful people. So, today is an exciting day for me. I am off on a one day return trip from Rome to the stunning Amalfi Coast. And our first stop is beautiful Sorrento now. And right now, we are leaving behind the eternal city Rome. The journey just begun. So, amazing road views ahead. On the way, I even got a glimpse of one of Italy's most famous landmarks, Mount Vesuvius, the historic volcano near Naples that once buried the ancient city of Pompeii. And now we have entered Sorrento. The view from the road is absolutely stunning. The entire city sits right on top of dramatic cliffs overlooking the sea. And it's such a beautiful sight. Those pastel houses, the sparkling blue water, and everything is just amazing. So now we are following our guide through these charming little streets of Sorrento. Then on our way to try the most delicious lemon sorbet. This place is famous for that. So you can literally smell the lemons in the air, fresh, sweet, and so refreshing. The weather today is just perfect, bright sunshine, clear blue skies, and that fresh sea breeze that makes you want to keep exploring all day. So, here is the most beautiful view I have ever seen in my life. Just look at this view. Sorrento is absolutely breathtaking. The whole city sits high up on these cliffs. And this is my favorite part, enjoying this refreshing lemon sorbet while taking in this amazing view of Sorrento. So now we are heading down to the port to catch our boat. It's going to take us straight to Positano. I'm super excited because the boat ride itself is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. Uh, the weather is perfect, the sea looks calm, and I can't wait to see Positano from the water. So, in a while, I will start my journey to Positano. We have got our boat and just started our ride towards Positano. The views along the way are so beautiful, blue water, cliffs, and tiny coastal villages in the distance. So, the view is really breathtaking here. And here is a quick tip if you are planning the same trip. I will suggest always sit on the left side of the boat because that's where you will get the best views of the coastline all along the way. Trust me, you will thank me later. The total distance from Sorrento to Positano is only about 20 kilometers, and the boat ride takes around 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the sea conditions, I will say. And now we are almost there. You can already see the cliffs of Positano coming into view. It looks absolutely amazing, magical from the water. And here it is, the first view of Positano from the water. Just look at those pastel colored houses stacked on the cliffs. with the sparkling blue sea below. It's even more breathtaking in person than in pictures. This is truly amazing magical moment. Arriving in one of Italy's most beautiful coastal villages is such a beautiful experience. So I have finally reached Positano and we are just heading towards to explore the main village called Positano. Before that, I'm just experiencing the water of this beautiful coast. So the water is so crystal and clear, and yeah, it's amazing. And walking through the streets here is such a delight. You can see here so beautiful shops are here, such unique collections there that I never seen on in the any store in the city or somewhere. But they have beautifully organized this. The narrow lanes are lined with beautiful clothing shops, artisan boutiques, and little cafes that make you want to explore every corner. The environment is so lively, people are cheerful, the vibe is relaxed yet buzzing, and everything just feels so Italian. You really get the charm of coastal life here. As I walk through the lanes of Positano, you can't help but notice the amazing art and jewelry shops. Everything from handmade bracelets to vibrant paintings. They really add to the town's charm, and it's so cool to see such a unique pieces everywhere. Perfect for souvenirs or just to admire the creativity of local artists, and it's beautiful. So here I noticed this artist painting right here on the street, and wow, it was such a beautiful thing to see. The colors and the details, everything just caught my eye instantly. So, what I think moments like this make walking through Positano so special. You never know what creative gem you will come across. So, it was nice. So, we have explored Positano enough for now, and the beach is beautiful, the view is amazing. So, the colorful streets, the beautiful shops, and the amazing view have been unforgettable, I can say. I will never forget this moment in my life. So, now we are now heading towards our next stop. We will be leaving the boat here in Salerno and from there continue our journey along the Amalfi Coast. So the ride itself is stunning. The sun, the waves, and the coastline makes it feel like you are traveling through a postcard. And I can't wait to see what Salerno has in store for us next. So we have reached anyhow, and it's time for us to say bye bye to Amalfi Coast until next time. And yeah, it was so beautiful. So here we have just gotten off the boat and are following our guide through the port here in Salerno. So what an amazing journey along the Amalfi Coast it has been. And but the memories and the views from today will stay with me forever. Okay, so for now, ciao from Italy.